So once you're done with eating mangoes, don't waste the seed. Instead, clean the seed as shown and keep it in the tissue paper and wet it and place it in a ziplock, and make sure you place it in a dark room or dark chamber so that it facilitates germination. So it's been 2 weeks since we kept this mango seedling. Let's check if it has sprouted or not. Oh yeah, it has sprouted. Let's be little careful. This is how it is. Come on, let's see how we can plant this mango plant. So we'll be using our 8 to 10 inch pot for planting the sapling. We'll use only coco peat, freshly prepared coco peat that is sufficient for the plant to grow. Come on, let's see how we can do it. We should take this out very carefully, and as you can see, this is beautiful thing. The concept of imbibition worked as per the last reel. So we'll plant it upside down. So this will go into become roots, and there will be one more thing which will come out to be shoots. So we'll plant it very carefully such that it won't have any harm. Gently press it, don't press it too hard, and we'll use a plastic container so that moisture won't escape and it will facilitate easy growth of the plant. And in next couple of weeks, this is how your mango plant will be, and in next couple of months, this is how the mango plant which you have planted. So next time, before you throw the mango seed, think once and plant it so that you can enjoy beautiful harvest in the upcoming days. And for more such content, don't forget to follow Biotechmaali.